Baby, I like how you move it. Need to learn how to cook ratatouille. All the rest gotta die in this movie. Hold up, so what? I just fucked on a friend, they all know us. You was hitting the raw, made me throw up. Then they
Alright, so we're about to go ahead and start taking everything apart. Let's see where I can get the best angle from you guys. Let's see right here. Let's see what I'm doing. Alright, so first we're gonna take these tabs. Let's see, gonna screw them. Recommend you keeping them in there for easy installation. I'll have to go looking for them again. See, seat come right off. We're gonna take off the 4 tabs is right here, holding the rear. Just get it out to enough where you could just twist it off with your hand. Take them all out. Make sure you don't do that.
Oh yeah, that view right there. What's that? I like that view right there.
I'm gonna pull up, pull back. Take that off. Alright, next thing we're gonna do, remove the rear fender assembly. You gotta start off by taking these tabs out. Like that.
Where you are?
Yeah. Next thing we did, remove the fasteners right here, the electrical plugs. Then we're gonna remove these 2 fasteners, 2 on both sides. Just like that. Alright, so we took out the little screws, fasteners right there. Then just pull straight off. After a lot of work, we finally got the heat shield off. So now we're about to cut this with the template that TST gave us. I'm about to cut that real quick. My boy knows anything. My boy Adam. My boy Skip. Yes, sir. But yeah.
Top when they got to the last one, it was 8.
Cut.
Alright. So I didn't scratch what the prize was. Scratch the bottom, that was the only number. So I scratched everything to see what the prize was. That's how I like to do. I like to see, like, cause that way you can tell if you really want it.
Left, right, brake. Seriously? My GoPro died yesterday. Forgot to show you guys the finished product. Integrated tail light. Right. Next up is gonna be exhaust, some type of one, because this very ugly. About to go meet up with some buddies. See what I'm saying? Got my boy Andy in the seat. My boy Gerald. Boy TP. To it and Jacob. Ooh, let's go look at what these boys got. And my boy TP 10 speed. My boy Jacob. To it. Big boy. Fucking 8.
My partner still come through the back though. He was drinking on green and react slow. When she leaving, I'm eating on cereal. Cheerio.